गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीबॉडी। माय नेम इज़ सिद्धार्थ अग्रवाल। तो मुझसे हमेशा स्टूडेंट्स एक डाउट पूछते हैं और ये बहुत ही अच्छा डाउट है। तो टुडे आई हैव डिसाइडेड टू एक्सप्लेन दिस। व्हाट इज़ द डिफरेंस बिटवीन टैक्स एंड ड्यूटी? सी देयर आर फोर वर्ड्स: टैक्स, ड्यूटी, सरचार्ज, सेस। सरचार्ज एंड सेस को लेके देयर आर नो डाउट्स, विच इज़ वेरी इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड, एवरीवन नोज द डिफरेंस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सेस, इफ यू टॉक अबाउट CESS, the cess that is collected is for a definitive purpose. The government mentions the purpose with the name of the cess itself. You would have heard of health and education cess. So from the name itself, anybody can guess that the money that is collected through health and education cess will be spent by the government on health and education. So cess is very much clear, CESS. Next comes surcharge. Surcharge is also very easy. We find surcharge in income tax. Surcharge is an extra tax collected on tax. First you compute your income tax and thereafter you compute surcharge on the income tax. So surcharge is basically a tax on tax. But the real problem is, what is the difference between tax and duty? So I will explain it to you thoroughly, but let me first give you the conclusion, because many students don't watch the video till the end. So I will just give you the conclusion and then I'll go for the reasoning. Look at the top, please. The conclusion is, there is no difference between tax and duty. Now this is surprising. If you search on internet what is the difference between tax and duty, hundreds of articles will come up and they will confuse you that there is a minute difference, this, that. But in reality there is no difference between tax and duty, only the etymology is different. Look at that word. Etymology means the root of the words. Every word is derived from some origin word. So only the etymology is different, but otherwise, apart from the word or the literature itself, there is no difference between tax and duty. And when you search across this, you will find a lot of articles are there explaining you the difference. I'll come across all of that. Okay, now let us rationalize this. What is the reason? Before GST, matlab GST came in 2017. Before GST, in the pre-GST era, India had taxes like this. Direct taxes ke naam pe there were two taxes: income tax on income and wealth tax on wealth. Whereas indirect taxes mein there were a lot of taxes, and you can see what it is on. What is the event on which the tax is levied? Suppose the first one is excise duty. It is on manufacture of goods. Service tax on services, import, custom duty, stamp duty, VAT, cess, etc. So what happened? People before the GST, I am talking about before GST period, before 2017, people just took two examples, one for tax and one for duty. The example of tax is income tax, which is levied on persons, individual, HUF, partnership firm, company, AOP, BOI, AJP. So income tax is a tax which is levied on persons, okay, on persons. And excise duty was levied on goods. So using the example itself, they created an artificial difference that tax is on person whereas duty is on goods and services. They just took the examples and then they created a difference. मतलब जितना भी differences you will come across between tax and duty, it is not a real difference, it is example based difference. जैसे for example, my name is Siddharth Agarwal. So does it mean that all the teachers are known as Siddharth Agarwal, or all the law audit teachers, tax teachers will be known as Siddharth Agarwal? You cannot use an example to create a theory itself. You are getting my point? So पहले क्या होता था, टैक्स और ड्यूटी के बीच में डिफरेंस बताने के लिए पीपल विल टेक एग्जाम्पल, and on the basis of the example they will create a difference. They will say that देखो देखो, tax is on persons whereas duty is on goods and services. Now that's a wrong difference. Look at this. This was the false difference that was created. People will say that tax is imposed on persons whereas duty is imposed on goods. After GST, this difference also has gone away. So what is the current status? After 2017, in the post GST era, we have the following taxes. Wealth tax is also gone. We have income tax as the only direct tax, which is on income or person. And in indirect taxes, the most important one is GST, goods and services tax. Now what will you say? Goods and services पे भी जो tax लग रहा है उसको अब आप duty नहीं बोल रहे, you are calling it tax. You are calling it tax. So tax is on person also, tax is on goods and services also. So now nobody can say that the difference between tax and duty is that tax is on person whereas duty is on goods. तो फिर जीएसटी का नाम भी जीएसटी क्यों, जीएसडी रख देना चाहिए, गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज ड्यूटी. सो अब वो डिफरेंस इज गॉन, इज टोटली गॉन. ठीक है, नाउ देयर इज नो डिफरेंस. लुक एट दिस क्लियरली. टैक्स इज इम्पोज्ड ऑन income, person, goods and services, income tax, GST सब पे, and duty is also imposed on goods, deeds, contracts. So frankly tax और duty के बीच में there is no difference. जो भी difference चल रहा है it is because of tradition. वो traditionally whatever name has been given by the government that continues. Traditionally चल रहा है difference usage की वजह से, otherwise there is no difference. So ये वीडियो बनाने का मेन पर्पस था टू एक्सप्लेन यू दैट आज के दिन there is no difference between the word tax and duty. Yes, surcharge is a separate thing, cess is a separate thing, but tax and duty में कोई difference नहीं है. The only major difference which was there was कि tax is on persons whereas duty is on goods and services. अब goods and services पे भी जो लग रहा है we call it custom, GST, goods and services tax. तो वो भी अब टैक्स नहीं, वो भी टैक्स बन गया, दैट इज ऑल्सो नॉट ड्यूटी. कस्टम ड्यूटी में अभी भी ड्यूटी लिखा हुआ है और कस्टम ड्यूटी का तो नाम ही कस्टम है. कस्टम मीन्स ट्रेडिशन, परंपरा. कस्टम वर्ड मीन्स परंपरा, ट्रेडिशन. सो वो तो चल रहा है नाम, दैट्स वाई. अदरवाइज ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है दैट यू विल यूज द वर्ड ड्यूटी टू इम्पोज अ टैक्स ऑन गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज. अभी गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज में भी हम लोग ड्यूटी नहीं टैक्स ही डालते हैं एंड इट्स कॉल्ड GST, गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज टैक्स. सो एक चीज जो इस वीडियो के थ्रू मेरे को क्लियर करना था, मैंने इसीलिए कोई टाइम वेस्ट नहीं, सबसे पहले कंक्लूजन बता दिया कि एकदम समझ लो. खाली वर्ड्स के ओरिजिन अलग थे जब ओरिजिनेट हुए थे. आज के दिन देयर इज नो डिफरेंस बिटवीन द वर्ड टैक्स एंड ड्यूटी. तो ये अब अपने दिमाग से पूरा निकाल दो. सरचार्ज का एक अलग मतलब है, सेस का एक अलग मतलब है. सरचार्ज इज अ टैक्स ऑन टैक्स कैलकुलेटेड एंड सेस इज अ टैक्स व्हिच इज कैलकुलेटेड फॉर अ स्पेसिफिक पर्पस. ठीक है, जैसे जीएसटी में भी गाड़ियां जब आप खरीदते हो तो गाड़ी के ऊपर ऐसे तो आपका 20% का ये लगता ही है, ये 28% का जीएसटी है ही, उसके ऊपर 20% का कंपेंसेशन सेस भी लगता है. तो जीएसटी कंपेंसेशन सेस इज कलेक्टेड टू गिव सम कंपेंसेशन टू द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट्स सो दैट स्टेट गवर्नमेंट्स का रेवेन्यू मेंटेन हो पाए. So cess is for a particular purpose, surcharge is tax on tax, but if you talk about tax versus duty, there is no difference right now. ठीक है, टैक्स इज ऑल्सो ऑन इनकम एंड पर्सन एंड गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज. ड्यूटी सर्टेन आइटम्स पे है, वो नाम चलते जा रहा है इसलिए. ठीक है, तो आई होप इससे क्लैरिफाई हो गया होगा. ऐसे ही छोटे छोटे कंसेप्ट्स और भी जहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स को जेन्युइनली दे फेस अ प्रॉब्लम, दे हैव अ डाउट, आई विल एक्सप्लेन इट. ये जो नोट्स मैंने अभी आपको दिखाए हैं 2 पेजेस के, इसका लिंक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में रहेगा, सो यू कैन रेफर इट व्हेनेवर यू वांट टू. ओके, थैंक यू.